Take 3 used plastic bottles. Any size will work, but medium-sized bottles are ideal. With a pair of scissors, carefully cut each bottle slightly below the halfway point. You'll only need the bottom part of the bottles, so set the tops aside for recycling or other projects. For the first bottle base, add 2 large tablespoons of salt. Salt is a natural deodorizer that absorbs moisture and neutralizes odors. Next, add 50 milliliters of fabric softener. Next, pour in 2 tablespoons of 70% alcohol. Place this mixture in your kitchen or a large open area like your living room. The combination creates a subtle yet long-lasting fragrance that will fill your entire house. For the second bottle base, add 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of fabric softener, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda is a powerful agent for combating odors and moisture. Mix everything well. This freshener is perfect for enclosed spaces like closets or dressers, as it helps prevent mold and mildew while keeping your clothes smelling fresh. For the third bottle base, add 3 tablespoons of salt, a splash of 70% alcohol, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Place this freshener in your bathroom. It's ideal for smaller enclosed areas where it can concentrate the scent and neutralize odors effectively.